Our intention is to what? Enter username, password, and we should open the application. Okay, it is not opening the application. Previous time when I was executed, see, now it is executed. Are you guys getting how to handle by using what? By sending what? Username, by sending username and password along with the URL inside ticket method. How to send the username? After double slash, whatever you type, till colon is the username. After colon, whatever you type, till at the rate is the password. After at the rate, remaining thing is the URL of the application. This is how we're going to handle the authentication problem. How? By sending the username and password inside the URL or along with the URL inside the get method. This is how we're going to handle what? Authentication pop-up. Please take down this. I will repeat this one more time. Take down this. Characteristics and solution also. Both the things take it. Take down this much. Program I'll copy paste it. I will copy paste it. Okay. We'll see that. We'll see that at last. Okay. At last, we'll see that all those things scenarios. Psych Wajidagi. Okay. Same thing. You after I will give half an hour now. At that time, you contact. Okay. We'll see the solution. How to enter the 2 times username, 2 times password. We'll see all those things. This is very important for the experience, guys. Okay, take down this till every program, till program also take it. Or I will show you the exit. I will repeat one more time if you want, but still, take this first. Okay. Sir, please repeat once again that program. Repeat this, take it now. Okay. This is the URL of the application. Let me put this. If you want, you can make a note of URL also without username and password. Let me put it in the chat room. Okay. If I execute this, means what we are doing in this application. Okay. Open the browser. Line number 11. Enter the URL. If I execute this program, see, let me execute this program. It will ask for the username and password. in the where actually it is coming from the URL or an application means actually in application without opening the application only it will ask. Okay, I need to type manually. It is easy. Admin, I know the username, admin, and I know the password is also admin. And if I click on sign in, it will open the application. But in automation, how it is possible? I cannot move. I cannot insert. It contains what two text box and two buttons. So what I will do, instead of typing, instead of typing the username and password in that pop-up authentication pop-up, I will type admin :admin @ so that it will open the application. It will type the username, it will type the password in the backend. When what is this URL means for? Sending the request to the server. While sending the request to the server, it will send username also, password also. How to send that? How to send the username and password along with URL. After double slash, whatever you type is the user. Till where? Till colon. Who has to put here? Admin. After that, admin is the what again? Password. Till where it is password? Till admin. After the remaining thing is the URL of the application. Okay. By what? By using or by sending username and password. Okay. Along with the URL inside the gate. See, if I execute this, that pop-up itself will not come. It will open the application. Open the browser, done. It will say, enter the URL along with username and password. Okay, but it will not enter like manually. How will it enter? No, the backend. Okay. For sending the request, it will send the username, password also. Say application is opening. Are you guys getting? Whenever any application is very secure, they will use this kind of things. So how to handle this in automation? By using username and password. Okay, along with the URL. Are you guys getting? And now put a heading called child window. Put a heading called tell me what is. Put a heading called child window pop-up, child browser pop-up, or child window pop-up. Or the heading you put it. What is this child window or child browser pop-up? We'll see that. As of now, just put a heading. Characteristics I will give down. Done. Okay. See here, what is this pop-up? We'll see that. What are the characteristics? We'll take it. Let me take it. You know, okay, there is one very good website. Now Creator. Okay. Here, three browsers you can see. One is main browser, that is now Creator. One more is L&D. L&D browser, and one more is HSBC. Okay, title is HSBC. Here title is L&D. Okay. Now I want to click on this no more button. Or I want to click on this we are hiring for something. Or I want to click on this more info button in HSBC. Okay. How to handle this? First of all, what are the characteristics? Okay, this is why they were called.
हेलो
What are the characteristics? I can inspect any right. But now here, that is not.
This conference will now be recorded.
Is it always two? No, it can be any. It can be n numbers. How to handle this? By using what driver dot switch dot. There only one alert, so it will switch. It will come to no switch. But here it will ask you driver dot switch dot window. There is a statement. It will ask you, sir, boss, there are many windows, many child. Which child do you want me to switch? So you have to pass the address of this browser, child browser. If you pass the address of this LNT child browser, it will switch to LNT. If you pass the address of HSBC child browser, it will switch to HSBC. What is that, sir? I'm not getting. We'll see that. First of all, characteristics, everyone get it. Take down these characteristics. Everyone understood characteristics. Just take it down. Then we'll take one by one, step by step. Just to take down the characteristics. This much summation and we'll see. What are called child browser pop-up or child window characteristics? Take it down. I have pasted in the notes also. Okay, then only thing of first thing is we can move this pop-up, we can inspect this pop-up. This pop-up will have minimize, maximize, and close button along with that. Don't take this. I will give you time to take this. I'm patient. See here. Now I want to click on something like more info. Okay, open the browser done. Next, enter the URL. I will enter the URL here also. Automation also I will enter the URL. How to enter the URL? By using driver.get method is to enter the URL. Enter the URL naukri.com. www.naukri.com is just. Next, I want to click on, okay, I want to click on, assume that I want to click on this, what? HSBC. I want to click on this no more button present in HSBC window. I told you, first thing is what? You have to switch the control. How to switch the control? How to switch the control? I told you, driver dot, okay, switch to dot window. Will ask you argument, give me the address. Okay, if you give the address of, HSBC browser, it will, okay, it will what? It will switch to HSBC. If you give the address of LNT browser, it will switch to LNT browser. If you give the address of Nowfree, it will switch to Nowfree.com. Okay, by default, control is present in Nowfree on the phone, so no need of switching as well. Okay, how to find the address? What is that address, sir? I'm not getting. Let's see that. What is that address? Okay, let me open google.com. What is the URL for Google? This is the URL.com. No need of URL actually. Okay, open the browser, enter the URL. Now I want to find the address of this browser. You open now. Which one? One browser you have opened. I want to find the address of that browser with or without URL. Okay, how to get that? Driver dot. Till now we have used all the methods of the driver or web driver. Okay, we have used almost all the methods of web driver. Our methods present in web driver, except two methods we have not used. What are those? That is get window handle and get window handle. Today we want to use that. What is this window handle? Get window handle. We'll see that. I'm using what? Get window handle, put in a reference variable called WS is what? Window handle. SYSO control state WH. Close the browser. Driver dot close. What is this WH? What is this get window handle? Open the browser, enter the URL, get window handle and put it in a variable. Okay, then print that variable and then close the browser. Yes, then close it. What is this? This is the address of that browser. Main browser Google. How to get the address of the browser? By using what? Get window. Return type of get window handle. Few people will think that if I use driver, okay, here driver is also holding that. See, let me print driver. This is window handle, okay, WH. WH. Same way I'll use what? Okay, SYSO control space. Okay, then here I will use driver equals. Okay, driver equals the driver. Means I am printing WH, I am printing driver. WH means what? Address of the browser. What is this driver? What is driver is holding? It is as similar like this, guys. A equals, okay, there is a class called A. I'm creating an object of A class. Okay, if I print A, what happens? What is this? A, small A. Or A1. Reference variable. If I print a reference variable, what happens? We will get the address of object. Address of the object, correct. Address of the object. Now, driver means same. Driver means A1 is the address of A class object. Here driver is the address of Chrome driver. Driver is the address, okay, holding address of Chrome driver object. Then what is this WH? That is will be holding the address of the browser. Okay, it is called as GUI object. Okay, whenever you what is happening in line number 12 now. Here we're creating an object of Chrome driver. When you create an object of Chrome driver, internally it is going to create one more object that is called as GUI. Okay, where it is holding the address of that browser. How to get that by using get window? Get window handle is used to get the address of the browser. Don't get confused between driver and get window handle. Driver means address of the object. Same way here. Which object? Chrome driver object. Get window handle means address of the browser. Okay, address of the browser. Okay, see, if I execute this program, first one will take the address of the browser. Second one, driver will take the address of the object. Which object? Chrome driver. Both are in Chinese language. ABC 1, 2, 3. Then WH equals this one. Driver equals save Chrome driver. Chrome on Windows something address as it is. Are you guys getting it? How to get the address of the browser? How to get the address of the browser? Okay, please 1 second. Please take down this question first. Write a step to print the address of the browser. Which browser? Okay, Chrome browser. Okay, write a step to print the address of the browser. Take down this problem. I'll give you solution later. As of now, after characteristics, take down this. Okay, before that, one second. As of now, just take down this solution. So, hand and child window pop-up, take down this solution. One line, this is how take it down. I will explain this one second. Don't worry, as of now, take it down. So, it will be helpful for you whenever you read it, okay? It will be easy for you reading. So, that's the reason, okay? Take down like this. I will explain this, then you will take down that program. Let me copy this and put it in this chat room also. And that address is also called as session ID. Okay? That address is called as session ID. Always remember that. I will tell that as of now, just take notes. Solution is 3 lines. Last 3 lines, please. See, it will open 2 more extra browsers. Okay, it is going to open 2 more extra browsers. One is LNT and one more is HSTC. Along with now create 2 extra browsers were open. Okay, when it opens this browser, it is also assigning one address to this Naukri.com, one address to this LNT browser, one address to this HSTC browser. How to get the address of Naukri even now? If I use get window handle is nothing but getting the address of the browser. Window handle means address of the browser. Few people will call it as what? Few people will call it as session ID. In companies, there is a word called session ID. That is not required as of now. Okay. Window handle means address of the browser. Which browser? Current browser. Okay, current browser. Here, in this case, which is the current browser, that is Naukri. Okay, if I use get window handle, 1 second. See, if I use get window handle, it will give the address of this Naukri, current browser or parent browser. Current and parent both are in this case. How to get the address of child? This child. Tell me, think and tell. How to handle one element? How to find the one element? It is find element. How to find multiple elements? Because driver dot find elements. Same way. if you want to find the address of all the browsers, there is a method called get window handles. This is get window handle. Means it will give the address of current browser. Get window handles means address of all the browsers. Are you guys getting? Okay. Now I will give you one question. You only tell me how to. Okay. Take on the question. Write a script to count the number of browser opened by Naukri.com. Write a script to count the number of browsers opened by Naukri.com. Write a script to count the number of browsers opened by Naukri.com. Then take on the question. Write a script to count the number of browsers opened by Naukri.com. Then let me create one more class. One second. Let it be like this. I will copy one static block along with one browser. Let me create a class called child window pop-up 2 along with one main method. I will create one static block for system but set property. Then open the browser. Done. Opening the browser. Then driver dot. Okay. How to enter the URL? Get method is to enter the URL. What is the URL? I want to count. What is the problem they are asking? Write a script to find the number of browsers opened by which website? Naukri. Copy the Naukri.com. Go to address bar, copy and paste it. www.naukri.com. Tell me what is the solution. How to get, what do you mean by how to get the address of all the browsers? How to get the address of all the browsers? Hey, who is that A2? Who is that A2? Use your name along with the phone number. There is a person called A2. Okay. You have to put your name and the phone number. Okay. We'll see this. Tell me how to find the address of all the browsers. She told that driver dot get window handles. It will give the address of all the browsers. I will use or address of all the browsers are all window all WH. Return type is, we'll see what is the return type. I don't know. Okay, it is giving me a return type is window handle. Return type is get window handle. Return type is what string? Here set option. Reason they are using set. Why they are using set is because address means duplicates will not be there. You should not allow duplicates. That's the reason they are used. They have used set option. Return type of get window handle is string. Return type of get window handles is set option. Always numbers. Okay, what is the return type of get window handles? Set option. Tell me now, I want to print how many browsers opened by. Easy, very easy. Take content. I'll just follow. Whatever you tell, I'll just follow. It is opening 3, no? I want that 3, number 3, that's it. Read it on the console, close the browser. What is there? What is there in all window handle? Address of Naukri, address of L&T, address of HSBC. Totally 3 address are there. I want to find this count. How to find the count?
By using for loop.
No need of for loop. Okay. And they're asking this. I'm not getting the address. That's it. Dot size like that. 1 second. All window handle dot size like that. Then I will print SYSO control space count. Then I will close the browser. Driver dot. Tell me what I should close. If I close, what it will close? It will close only Naukri.com. If I want to close both. If I want to close all the browsers, right? Are you guys getting when do you go for close and when to go for print? If only one browser, use close. More than one browser, use print. Okay, we'll see. Let me execute this. So it should print 3 in the console. We'll see that. One Naukri, one L&T, one HSBC. Okay. See, everything closed. Is it printing 3? What's the question they're asking? They're asking to print number of browsers opened by Naukri.com. Is it printing totally 3 open? So it is printing. Okay. Take on this. Let me put this in the chat room. Take it down cleanly, neatly take it down.
Avoid the duplicate, we use the set of string. Okay.
Instagram done. Taken. Taken.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Okay. We'll go to next level. What's the difference between get window handle and get window handles? Anyone? What do you mean by get window handle? Last program we are using get window handle. Here we are using get window handles. And tell me what's the difference? Get window handle means what?
Get window handle will give the current browser address and get window handles will give the all browser address.
Yes, that is one difference. Another difference, you can tell that return type of get window handle is this type return is what? String. Get window handle return type is string. Get window handles return type is set of string. If anyone asks you whether you used anywhere sets in the Selenium, yes. Where? In child window pop-up. Whenever we are handling child window pop-up, we are using set. Or you can say set of strings. Or you can tell that return type of get window handle set of is set of. Why they are using set? If anyone asks you, because set doesn't allow duplicates. Okay, please take on this question. What is the difference between get window handle and get window handles? Yes, tell me.
We can use driver.with outside the main method also.
Outside the main method. No. How can you use here? Okay, let me try to use it. Throw here. See here, you cannot create a method inside the method. That is one thing in Java. Always remember. Java basics, you cannot create a method inside a method. And you cannot create you cannot call a method outside it without a method. Whenever you want to call any method, it should be inside a method. Yes, I can call, but it inside a method. Inside that is Java basics. Okay, that is Java basic. I cannot use this driver dot with here. Will throw the error. Okay. Yes, you can use it. Main method, you can use other method. There you can create the object, you can call any methods. Okay, take down this question. Someone was asking me, see, what's the difference between get window handle and get window handles? Get window handles will return the address of current browser, okay, and get window handles will return the address of object browser. You can insert the bracket, you can make it as that is string format. Here, all the browsers, that is, so the next we'll solve this. What they're asking, let me create a class. Okay, let me create a class. I created one class called child window 2. Okay, child window 2. Okay, opening the browser, entering the now. Now tell me how to find the count. You tell me. Remaining thing I will take. Tell me how many number of browsers opened by Naukri. Tell me. Last program, whatever we have done, at least see your notes and tell notes. Count equals R. What is that? Driver dot get window handles. Okay, driver dot get window handles. What's the return type? I cannot directly use count without without this or window handle. What's the return type? It's a stretch string. Here int count equals what? All window handle dot size. Yes, for control space count. Okay, then we are using what? Driver dot. This is what we have. Now they're not asking to count how many number of elements. They're asking the elements. Give me the address. Address of Naukri. Where it is there? What is content of this? Content of all window handle. Window handle of Naukri, window handle of HSBC, window handle of LIT. How to get the window handle one by one? How to print the content of this one by one? Tell me how to print the content. Yes, by using for. Okay, for they will use two people. Use normal for loop because normal for loop will not work. Whenever you're using set, whenever the collection type is set, your return type is set, normal for loop I cannot use. Reason is less than count. Okay, 1 second. Let me put that count also. Let that count be like that. Here count is what? 3. So I will use normal for loop for int I equals 0. I is less than count. I plus. They will use like this. And tell me how to print all the elements one by one. All window handle dot get off. Right? The get method only not come. Dot G. See, get method is not there. Get method is not there inside. So you cannot use. You cannot take the one element outside. For that you have to use mandatory enhance for loop. Okay, I have to mandatorily use what? Enhance for. For right side, all window handle. Right, left side, colon, left side, window handle. Okay, created looping variable for WH. Now I will print SY first. It will print. I will print what? SY, SO, control space, WH. First it will print what? Now print. Then LNT, then HSBC, address of HSBC. At last, I will close the browser. How to close all the browsers by using print method. Here, line number 16 is not required. We never started on using line number 16. Let me delete it. See, if I execute, it will print the address of all the browsers, which is opened by now print.com. What is the use of this address? What is this? The use of this WH? We'll see that next. Okay. Open the browser, done. Enter the URL, that is also done. Okay. Get all the address of all the browsers, print it on the console, then close. See. First one is now create. Second one, it can be any. Set doesn't preserve the order of it. They have written a They have written a program in such a way that first one will be always update. Okay. Second one, it can be HSBC or it can be LAN. Because instead it doesn't preserve the order of list will preserve. These are the basics of Java. List will preserve the order of insertion. Okay. Whereas set doesn't preserve the order of insertion. Set doesn't allow duplicates. List will allow duplicates. Let me repeat this program. Okay, in line number 30, what we are doing? Opening the browser. Which browser? Chrome browser. Line number 14, what we are doing? Enter the URL. Then I want to get the address of all the browsers. Okay, if it is only one browser means I can use get window handle. That is what we have done in the first program. Now I want the address of all the browsers, so I am using get window handles.
Okay.
Driver.get window handles. What it will return the address of all the three. Everything. LNT, HSBC. Everything will be stored in this. Okay, since it is return type is set. Okay, it is set type. Set type of collection, I cannot use R1 for. So what is the solution? Solution is what? We have to use enhance for. We have to use what? Enhance for. Okay, directly, no need of using get method in enhance for loop. You also know. Okay, directly I'm printing this. WH means what? Window handle. Window handle address of one browser. First it will take now three, then either it can be LNT or it can be HSBC. At last, outside the for loop, I am using split method for closing all the process. Okay, please take on this program.